Hey everyone, wanna make money promoting cool stuff online? This video's your guide to learn, master everything you know about Temu affiliate program. Now this is a short video. I won't really go into really deep depth, really talking about everything you need to know. But I'm just gonna share with you what I've learned, what I've done, but in short video, so you learn what you have to do. So I'll walk you through the whole process, step by step, from creating your Temu account to grabbing those affiliate links. But wait, there's more. We'll also show you how to find the hottest deals and promote them like a pro. So turning Temu trends into your next income stream. So let's do this. Please subscribe for more tutorials. And right off the bat, I'm going to tell you this is not a quick overnight success. Takes time. It's not easy. Probably you'll not make tons of money as you see right here, because I want to be transparent with you. Probably won't make $100,000 per month. That's for sure. Probably not even 10K, because it just takes time. It just depends on you. I'm just sharing the information. I just want to mention that because I think it's really important to not give you any hope, false hope. I hate when people are giving me false hope. Yeah, you're gonna make millions of dollars. Wow, it's so amazing. No, it's not. It's just potentially you could. There's so many variables, so many things that could, anyways. I hope I clarify this. Hello. Hey. So now let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do first, of course, to log in your account. I'm already logged in my account, and here it is important first that you, so just please click on here, order, here to change your country. So you can change your country, region, language. So please click on here to change your country from your country to your United States language here. Now that's what I like to do. Now you can do what you want. You can leave this as it is. That's nothing that you 100% you have to do this. So then we're gonna have to scroll down and look for affiliate influencer program. So we're gonna have to go here. So let's click on here, and now this is what you will see. What we see: unlock more ways to earn benefits on Temu, monetize your content, get free products. So if you're an influencer, you have a group, you have a Instagram, you have a TikTok account, and if you don't have to, it's not really worth growing your TikTok following just for you doing this, but it's worth creating this. If you're interested in a subject, then create content around that subject, with Instagram or TikTok, depends on where you like to create your following, to grow your following. But we're gonna click on here, share and earn up to. Okay, just click on sign up now. Now we're ready. My account here, I can see here available cash. You can earn here. We can see refer users with your affiliate link code, up to 20% commission and extra $5 per download rewards. So this means that you will get $5 for every successful referral. Referral means someone signs up for the app. Now, to be a considered successful referral, the person you refer needs to both download the app and log in to their account. Now here to explain this part, 20% commissions up to, this means you can potentially earn a commission of up to 20% on purchases made by your referrals. Orders placed within 24 hours on your referral downloading the app. This is the key condition. You'll only earn this commission on purchases made within 24 hours of the person downloading the app using your referral link or code. And here we can also see our links, so we can see free gigs, and I click on share. This is what I see now. Your free gigs link has been copied. Share to get earn commissions reward only when your referral is in your when your referral is in your region. That's very important to understand what this means. So the thing you have to understand here is that you share this with your friends, maybe earn some rewards, commission, but here's the thing though, and it's kind of a bummer. Yeah, it has to be in the same, they have to be in the same area and same location as uh as me for it to count. Okay, as you see here, your refer is in your region. Earn commission reward only when your refer is in your region. So if you share this, to social media, to Pinterest, and they are not in your region, then it will not count. You will not get the benefits. Now I'm gonna touch this again because I think it's important. Compare with other videos, they're talking about this and they're saying, oh, it's so easy, share this link, just spam this, on social media. But for you to earn reward or commission from your referral link, the people who sign up using your link must be in the same region as you were originally. So if you change your location and settings, I showed you to change because I think it's just gives you some options, but this won't affect this thing here. So what you can do now to make money here, two realistic options that you can, but you can potentially make money if you doing it the right way. It's not getting rich successfully overnight. You won't make money overnight successfully with this method I'm showing you. It's what I think this works. So you can, first option, you can create the website and then you buy products from Temu. You test the product, you talk about the product. If it's a website, you write about the product. It's gonna take time. You have to invest some money because you have to buy a product, and then you write the content in your language, so you'll attract the audience from your own country, and if they find your review helpful, they can buy through your affiliate link. You can show them, you can leave your affiliate link in the description. It's gonna take time to learn these skills, to create a website, to write good articles, and is not easy. As I said at the beginning of this video, is not what it seems. You can make, as it says there, $100,000, but it's gonna take time. It is gonna take a lot of time. If you don't have the right skills, it's gonna take time. Now, if you don't want to write, you don't really like to write, you can also start a YouTube channel. You can start a YouTube channel, and again, that's what I would do if I were you. Start a YouTube channel and then just do reviews, write reviews of some products that you actually need. You don't have to buy specific products. You can buy products that you would need, that you need, and then you can write a review about that product on your YouTube channel, and then you can ask people if they want to support a YouTube channel to join, to start on Temu, to join on Temu, through your affiliate link. And this is great because if you talk with in your native language, you can directly connect with viewers from your own country who might be interested in Temu products. Now, something here to note: you don't have to actually buy products from Temu. All right, good, but make sure you don't have to have Temu in your YouTube channel, YouTube title, blog. Just review the product so you can attract audience that have not heard of Temu or is not using Temu, because that's kind of the goal here. Now it depends on what you're going for here, because here you have multiple options. You see your referral benefit. You can go with this one here. You can read about this. New app users, reinstall users can click on your link to receive a 100 coupon bundle after downloading, and new app users have the opportunity to receive a free gift from Temu. New app users, reinstall users. Okay, you can just read this and share now. And you also have this 30% off, new free gifts or exclusive deals. So you can see here exactly the referral benefits. And yeah, you can withdraw cash using PayPal, credits. So if you have any questions, leave your questions down below. I try to make this video as transparent as possible and not give you any false hope. Just remember, it takes time to, and if you start with a YouTube channel or a blog, just think long term. Not only you're not doing this only to promote Temu products, you're doing this to really build a business. So you're gonna have to be serious, invest some money, time, so you can be successful. So I hope you the best. I hope you're gonna reach your goals and make money and do what you like, you know. So if you doing this, make sure you choose a niche, write about a niche, create videos about a niche that you like. Thanks for watching and take care.